how I spent $75 on Facebook ads and got a 78% return. Not crazy profits, but what happened here matters way more if starting out. This is a real test, real money, and real results. No hype. So I just want to share what worked and how money can be made on ClickBank without wasting time on creating a product, without blogging, or without even building your own mailing list. So here's exactly what I did. I used Facebook ads to promote ClickBank weight loss product. So it's up to you whether you want to promote weight loss product, relationship, or make money niche. This is all up to you, okay? What I do here is no direct linking. I use a simple landing page first, and the good news is this can be started with a small budget, about $10 or $25 a day. So this is all up to you. And as seen here, my total spend was $75. Nothing fancy, just keep it simple. So here's what came in. So as you can see here, I have a total spend of $75. So my total revenue here is $135. This is my sale. And the profit that I made from these two ad sets is $59. So that's around a 78% return. Not life-changing, but this is the part most people skip. This shows that the system is working. So today, I will share with you what exactly made this work. So first is the hook. So the biggest reason this worked was the hook. So your hook could be your creative or your ad copy. So in my case, instead of saying lose weight fast, since this is the product I choose to promote doing affiliate marketing, so I use something curiosity based, something like a simple daily habit or a weird trick angle. So that's what stopped people from scrolling on their Facebook newsfeed. And number two is landing page. I didn't send people straight to the offer. I use a bridge page. So like a first-person story to build curiosity. That warmed people up before they click through to the ClickBank offer. So this alone, this bridge page, can make a huge difference. And number three is low budget testing. I didn't go all in. I tested with a small budget first to see if it could generate a sale. This is where most beginners mess up. They spend too much, too fast. So start small. Let the data guide your decision on what to do next. And number four is audience match. So make sure the audience matches the message. For example, weight loss for women going through menopause. Or you target weight loss who have a craving at night. So make sure the tone, the story, and even the problem all match. So if this part is off, conversions drop fast. Now, it's important to understand that not everything works. Some ad sets got clicks but no sales. And that's normal. This is why testing matters. You don't need everything to work. Just one angle. And from that one angle, scaling becomes possible. Just to be real, 78% return is not profit scale yet. But this tells something important. The funnel works, the message works, your creative works. It's about improving and scaling. This is how real ClickBank affiliate marketing works, not overnight. And fifth, but not the least, very important, you also need tracking software. So Facebook can over-report or under-report results, your sales, okay? So without tracking, it's hard to see what's really happening inside your ad account. Like in my case, I am using ClickMagick here, but if you want to use any other tracking software, feel free to use it. But what I am teaching here is only the tools that I personally use. So if serious about turning this into a real affiliate marketing business, tracking is not optional. Okay, this is not negotiable. You must have a tracking to track your sales so you can see your data and improve from there. If starting out, don't aim for perfect. Aim for data and improve your data. Now, if interested in learning how to start an online business, I have a new course in Udemy for beginners. So it's ClickBank Passive Income First Sale Guide. It's a beginner-friendly course designed to help get the first sale without confusion and overwhelm. So you will learn how to set up a passive income stream on ClickBank, how to identify niches and strong hooks, how to choose profitable keywords with demand, how to create simple but effective marketing strategies, a clear step-by-step system to drive traffic, and get your first sale. So this is a brand new course here in Udemy. So if you are looking for on how to start your online business or how to create your own ClickBank passive income, then this course is for you. And also, I have a special gift for you. When you apply this coupon here, you can get a special discount from me. But you need to act fast. Otherwise, I don't have a control of the pricing here in Udemy. So check the link below this video and hope to see you inside. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my affiliate marketing videos. ClickBank Made Easy will give you the key to generating passive income online so you can travel and spend quality time with your family.